Soft humming. Allahu, 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 Allahu. Ya Allah, you are my light. In the dark, you shine so bright. Ar-Rahman, I trust in you. Every step you guide me through. In the sky, I see your sign. Stars and moon in perfect line.
Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel Tech Hunter. I'm your friend Syed Ali. If you want to create songs or Islamic ghazals using AI, one of the best and most popular tools right now is Suno AI. This platform allows anyone to easily create beautiful Islamic nasheeds or any type of song for free. In today's tutorial, we will learn step by step how to create a complete Islamic ghazal or song using Suno AI. We will see how to write perfect lyrics, how to create a good style description, and how to combine everything to make a full song. So let's not waste time and go to the computer screen. Welcome back. Now we are in the Chrome browser. To generate songs, we will use Suno AI. First, go to Google and search Suno. Then open the official website. Click on Sign In and log in using your Gmail account. After that, select your account and click Continue. Here, you will get 50 free credits every day, and with that, you can generate around 5 songs. Each song gives you 2 versions. To create a new song, click on Create. You will see 2 options, Simple and Advanced. We will choose Advanced because here we can add our own lyrics, write a style description. First, we need lyrics. You can create lyrics using Suno AI ChatGPT Gemini, Google AI. We already have a template for creating songs and ghazals. You can download it from the video description. Now, we want to create an Islamic ghazal. We write a prompt like main message, love for Allah, devotion, and praising His creation. Style, calm, emotional, spiritual audience, Muslim children or general audience. Then we copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT or Gemini and generate lyrics. If you don't like the lyrics, you can ask AI to improve them. For example, make it more emotional and easy to sing. Then AI will generate a new version. After that, copy the full lyrics. Now go back to Suno AI and paste the lyrics. Next is style description, which is very important. Here you describe emotion of the song, tone and mood, whether music is allowed or not. For example, for Islamic Nasheed, no instruments, only vocals. Soft humming or natural sounds. You can also generate this style using AI. After that, paste the style into Suno and click Create. Now Suno will generate 2 songs for you. You can listen to them and choose the best one.
Soft humming. Allahu, 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 Allahu. Ya Allah, you are my light. In the dark, you shine so bright. trust in you. Every step you guide me through. In the sky I see your sign, stars and moon in perfect line. In the wind, your mercy.
Each generation uses about 10 credits. If you don't like the result, you can generate again.
Give me merciful Lord, I'm a sinner indeed. I pray to you, oh.
Another method is to create a song based on an existing one. For that, copy a song link. Get its lyrics using AI, Ask AI, to create a new song inspired by it, not copying. AI will generate a similar style, but completely new lyrics. Then follow the same steps. Copy lyrics, paste into Suno style, click.
In the quiet of the night I call your name, with a heavy heart and a soul in shame. In the quiet of the night I call your name, with a heavy heart and a soul in shame. I've wandered far in the world so wide, with nowhere left for my soul to hide.
Create to download the song. Click the 3 dots. Click Download. Free users can download in MP3. Important: free songs are not allowed for commercial use. You can use them for personal use, but not sell them or use fully on YouTube professionally. For commercial use, you need to buy a plan. Suno has paid plans like Pro, where you get more credits and can use songs professionally. Now, let's create another example. An English song for children. Topic: Eid celebration. Friendship, family, happiness. Style: fun, cheerful, light rhythm. Audience: kids. Generate lyrics. Copy them, paste into Suno, add style, and create the song. You can also select male or female voice from advanced settings. That's it.
Wake up, it's light today. Sun is shining, let's go and pray. New clothes on, colors so bright. Family hugs feel warm and light. Walking slow to the prayer ground. Happy voices all around. Hands raised high, we softly say, thank you for this joyful day. Wake up, it's light today. Sun is shining, let's go and pray. New clothes on, colors so bright. Family hugs feel warm and light. Walking slow to the prayer ground. Happy voices all around. Hands raised high, we softly say, thank you for this joyful day. Day smile, big and wide, joy.
Now you can create your own AI songs easily. So friends, in today's video we learned how to easily create Islamic ghazals or songs using Suno AI. Now it's your turn. Use your creativity and try making a beautiful nasheed or song. Remember, good lyrics plus a strong style description equals a perfect song. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and for more helpful tutorials, subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss any new videos. Your support is our biggest motivation. That's all for today. See you again in another new tutorial.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.